Wow, so many toys, guys. So many toys collection. Wow, beautiful toys, guys. Amazing toys collection. Wow, all are brand new toys collection, guys. Wow, it's a blue color car, guys. Sports car, F1 racing car. Beautiful car, guys. Wow, it's a Hot Wheels car, guys. Wow, amazing car. Wow, beautiful car, guys. Wow, it's a black color taxi. Small taxi. It's a metal taxi, guys. Metal toy. Beautiful toy. Wow, it's a green color racing car, guys. Beautiful green color racing car. Amazing car, guys. Wow, this is in black and green color combination. Wow, this is a funny school bus, guys, for kids. Small funny school bus. Wow. Amazing. Wow, it's a tractor, guys. Beautiful tractor. Wow, tractor and truck. Beautiful tractor and truck, guys. Amazing. Vehicle. Wow, it's a yellow color F1 racing car, guys. Beautiful yellow color F1 racing car. Amazing car, guys. Wow, it's a container truck, guys. Beautiful container truck. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Amazing. Wow, beautiful. Truck, guys. Wow, it's a Hitachi. Beautiful Hitachi, guys. Wow, amazing Hitachi. Wow, so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Brand new. Hey, guys. Wow, it's a brand new double-decker bus, guys. Red color double-decker bus. So beautiful bus, guys. Amazing bus. See, wheels are in yellow color. Wow, it's a train engine, guys. Steam engine. Steam train, guys. It is a steam train engine. Beautiful vehicle, guys. Beautiful vehicle. Wow, it's a both Hitachi truck. Hitachi on the truck, guys. So beautiful, guys. Wow, this is 2-in-1 vehicle, guys. Amazing 2-in-1 vehicle. Wow, this is so beautiful vehicle, guys. Wow, this is a school bus, guys. Small school bus for kids. Wow, this looks pretty, guys. Wow, it's a aeroplane, guys. Wow, it's a big aeroplane. A380 Airbus. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Amazing. Wonderful aeroplane.